Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg vada. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need hard-boiled eggs, chickpea flour, and a selection of aromatic spices. Make sure your eggs are perfectly boiled and peeled, ready for the next steps. We'll then mix a smooth, flavorful batter that will coat our eggs beautifully, setting the stage for a delicious snack. Now, let's focus on the batter. In a bowl, combine chickpea flour, a small amount of rice flour for crispiness, and your chosen spices like turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Slowly add water, mixing until you get a thick yet pourable consistency that clings well to the eggs. Carefully dip each hard-boiled egg, ensuring it's fully coated for even frying. With our eggs coated, it's time to fry. Heat your cooking oil in a deep pan to a medium-high temperature, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently place the batter-coated eggs into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy exterior, turning them occasionally for even cooking. Once fried to perfection, remove the egg vadas and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these delicious, crispy egg vadas immediately with your favorite chutney, like a spicy mint or tangy tamarind sauce, or even a simple ketchup. They make a fantastic snack or appetizer. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.